is my car after my disaster, and just started it up, cleaned out my vacuum lines, the tranny fluid, put a new vacuum modulator on, changed out the oil and filter, and she's running rough. Sounds like I'm missing on one cylinder, but hopefully as the engine warms up, the fouled combustion chambers, I cleaned up the spark plugs that I had in there, or that the brand new ones that were put in were only in for a mile. So supposedly as this thing warms up, the funk will get burned out. It's a little smoky right now. Hopefully it'll get a lot more smoky as I burn off stuff. She's getting smoky now. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's actually what I want to see. I don't know if my garden's all thrilled about it. And I'm sure the mosquitoes in the neighborhood, well, their population is going to be less. So I'm told I should let this baby idle in my driveway for 10 minutes to get the whole exhaust and everything heated up. So that's what I'm going to do. Oops, killed it. Anyway, I'll restart it and let it idle for a while. See ya!